God has planted the seeds of greatness within you, envisioning a future brimming with potential and purpose. Yet these seeds need the nourishment of your courage and the sunlight of your action to grow. Progress isn't a mere gift, it's a divine partnership. God opens doors and provides opportunities, but you must be willing to step out in faith, overcoming the inertia of fear and doubt. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a testament to your trust in His plan and your commitment to fulfilling your destiny. Remember, it's not the grandeur of the step that matters, but the act of stepping out. Embrace the unknown, for it is in these moments of boldness that God's greatest blessings unfold. Your journey of progress is waiting, but it begins with your first step. Step out there and watch how God transforms your efforts into extraordinary achievements.